Hi, I'm Elizabeth Wells. I'm a professor in the music department at Mount Allison University, a former chair of the department, and a former dean of arts. So I've been involved in music for a long time and can tell you that we have a very vibrant department here. Whether you're here as a Bachelor of Music student looking for performance or composition or conducting as your career, or if you're a student who's just interested in music and learning a little bit more about it, we have a lot of opportunities for you to learn and to grow at Mount Allison Music. The first thing I'll tell you is that if you're in the Bachelor of Music program or a music minor, you'll take one of my courses, which is an Introduction to Music History and Literature. This is a course that I created that's been lauded all over North America as a new model for how to introduce students to music culture, history, and literacy. I also teach a course on the Beatles, which has been very popular over the years. In this course, and this is open to anybody, not just music students, we explore the cultural and historical roots of the Beatles, why they're so important today, and why so many people still listen to them and write hundreds and thousands of books about them. I've also taught a course here called Music and Difference, not Music Indifference, which would be a funny course, but it's all about how aspects of gay and lesbian life, queer identity, criminality, ethnicity, class, race, all of these kinds of things intersect with music and how we use particularly popular musics to navigate some of those aspects of difference in our society. It's been an explosive course where we've had wonderful conversations about what's really important to us today and how music and the arts relate to that. You can also take courses here in music theory, which gives you the underpinnings of how music works as a science, almost like a technology. You can also play in one of our ensembles. We have a concert band, a jazz band, a couple of choirs, and we also form chamber music groups for people. If you're interested in playing outside of a band in an orchestra, we have not a full symphony orchestra, but a chamber orchestra, where we often do concertos with talented students. You can take a range of instruments if you're coming here as a Bachelor of Music student in private lessons, which are an hour a week, which is fantastic, which go on for 4 years. If you're a music minor or a BA major, you have the opportunity to do an honors and other aspects of the music program that might be engaging to you. We've had people come here to be composers who don't necessarily play an instrument but want to get a BA major in music. And one of those people just graduated with a PhD in composition from Princeton University this year. So I welcome you to our program. I welcome you to our classes. I'd be happy to meet you and to teach you in the future. But just so you know, there's a lot to music that there is to learn and to grow with at Mount Allison, and I encourage you to look into our program.